What's up, my blockchain squad? Are you ready for another elite, top tier, high IQ, next level stock pick? If you suffer from low IQ and low levels of swag, then this video isn't for you. So with that disclaimer out of the way, let's get into this stock pick. With all of the excitement surrounding cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, there have been a ton of companies that have popped up recently that are trying to capitalize on this technology. And while blockchain was invented back in 1991, making this a technically 30-year-old technology, there of course have been a lot of improvements to the system, making it more robust and more secure than ever before. And now that the internet, generally speaking, is more accessible than ever before, we're going to start seeing more and more businesses try to incorporate blockchain technologies into their structure. So today I'd like to talk about a potential winner in the blockchain space. The company is Cloud9 Web3 Technologies, trading under the ticker CLGUF on the OTC markets and trading under CNI for the Canadian Securities Exchange. Now, as always, I can't promise you that this stock will go up in the short term, so if you plan on getting into this stock, please remember that I look at all of my stocks with a long-term perspective in mind. However, the more I look into this company, the better and better it seems. So let me explain what this company does, and then I'll get into the news from March for those of you who haven't been following this stock. And at the end, I'll talk about their finances and if this stock is a buy right now. Cloud9 is a Vancouver-based company that is building out a technology platform focused on decentralization through blockchain technologies. They believe in the democratization of the internet, meaning that everyone should have equal access to the content available, regardless of the country you live in. And before I dive more into this company, I think the next part is very important to understand. I'm sure a lot of you might be wondering what Web3 is, which is part of the company's name, Cloud9 Web3 Technologies. Web3 is referring to Web 3.0. This is an idea of the internet that humanity is just on the cusp of. Imagine a new type of internet that not only accurately interprets what you input, but actually understands everything you convey, whether through text, voice, or other media. One where all content you consume is more tailored to you than ever before. We are at the tipping point of a new phase in the web's evolution, and some early pioneers are calling it Web 3.0. Essentially, Web 3.0 is aimed at being a more autonomous, intelligent, and open internet. So you can kind of imagine it like the internet we have today, but on steroids. As Web 3.0 networks will operate through decentralized protocols, the founding blocks of blockchain and crypto technology, we can expect to see a strong convergence and symbiotic relationship between these technologies and other fields. They will be interoperable, seamlessly integrated, automated through smart contracts, and used to power anything from microtransactions in Africa to censorship-resistant peer-to-peer data file storage. So yeah, Web3 is going to be huge. It'll be a more open and secure internet than ever before, powered by blockchain protocols. And arguably, there are a few early-stage Web 3.0 applications that already exist today, like Cloud9. But until the new internet becomes fully embedded into the web infrastructure, their true potential cannot be observed yet. So now that you guys understand Web 3.0, the purpose of Cloud9 is going to make a lot more sense, I think. They are a company that is an incredibly early adopter of blockchain technology with the goal in mind to integrate with Web3. Cloud9 will be using a decentralized blockchain protocol that will enable individuals to connect to the internet where they can own and be properly compensated for their time and data. Cloud9 has two Web 3.0 technology initiatives: Limitless Technologies, its cryptocurrency platform, and Next Decentrum, its educational technology platform. Limitless provides users with a plug-and-play way to mine their favorite cryptocurrencies, which are then immediately stored in a personalized in-app digital wallet. The company says that all that is needed is a phone and a Wi-Fi connection. I honestly think this is really cool, as they're making the barrier to entry in the crypto world extremely accessible. So, now onto the juicy and exciting stuff. In mid-March, Cloud9 acquired development stage assets relating to a VPN platform from Victory Square Technologies. Cloud9 is going to help to push this VPN into production with a finished project by Q3 of 2021. So with the limitless VPN miner, Limitless VPN, they are able to provide it to the people all for free. And this is because Cloud9 is generating revenue from the actual mining process. Honestly, I think this is really incredible stuff. A free VPN for the people, made free by cryptocurrency mining. Cloud9's other project, Next Decentrum, meanwhile, is building active, evolutionary, and just-in-time educational content and software inspired by the modern theories of continuous innovations, lean thinking, and agile development. So in simple terms, this platform is intended to connect the average person to modern technologies, teaching people about blockchain, cybersecurity, virtual reality, and AI. And get this, also part of their educational platform, Next Decentrum released its NFT guide for global collectibles. And we all know how hot NFTs have been lately. And in my opinion, NFTs will continue to be relevant and important in the future. So I think it's pretty awesome to actually see a company that's not only utilizing blockchain technologies, but is also set on teaching an average person about NFTs and how blockchain works. Alright, so let's briefly get into their financials. For Cloud9's Limitless products, they are projecting some pretty impressive numbers. Over the next 4 years, their VPN alone is expecting to see a 500% growth, with the other products following accordingly. And while these numbers could potentially be conservative, I think it's also important to realize that this company is not profitable yet. But these are the risks that you take when investing in very early stage companies. I mean, Web 3.0 isn't even mainstream yet, but when it is, I can definitely see Cloud9 being able to pull in some serious profit. So overall, I think Cloud9 is a great company. I haven't bought any shares yet, but I'm really strongly considering it right now and most likely will. Remember, I'm looking at this as a speculative, high-risk, high-reward investment. Also, I'm sure a lot of people are wondering if this stock is still a buy after the run-up, to which I would say, I think anything in the dollar range for this stock is great for a long-term hold, and if this stock keeps falling and you're able to get anything under $1, then this would be a definite buy for me. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.